Hey everyone, this is Jesse with Shepherd Tile Roofing. Today we're restoring this beautiful concrete tile roof right here in Duncanville, Texas. Instead of replacing the entire roof, we're bringing it back to life using Locks-On Primer and Cool Seal Premium Roof Paint. Over time, tile roofs start to fade, absorb moisture, and lose that clean factory finish. But most of the time, the tiles themselves are still perfectly solid. That's where our restoration process comes in. We start by deep cleaning the tile roofs with a professional pressure wash, removing years of dirt, algae, and chalking paint. It gives us a clean surface for the coating system to bond to. Next, we apply Sherwin-Williams Locks-On Primer. It's designed to grip directly to concrete tile and seal those tiny pores so the finish coat goes on smooth and even. Then we apply Cool Seal Premium Roof Paint, a 100% acrylic coating made to handle our extreme Texas sun and heat. It not only restores the color, but also protects the roof from UV damage and moisture. And the result, a roof that looks brand new again for the fraction of the cost or replacement. Just look at the transformation. It's clean, sealed, protected, and built to last. If your tile roof is faded or showing its age, give us a call today at Shepherd Tile Roofing. We specialize at restoring the roofs across the DFW Metroplex. And if we can make your home look brand new again, visit shepherdtileroofing.com to schedule your free roof evaluation.